Did you know that choosing the right pre-workout meal can significantly enhance your performance and endurance? Imagine powering through your workouts with sustained energy, all from plant-based foods. What you eat before exercising plays a crucial role in your energy levels and overall performance. Opting for plant-based, nutrient-dense foods can provide the sustained energy you need to maximize your workouts. Today, we'll delve into the best plant-based pre-workout foods and share simple, effective meal ideas to keep you energized. Many fitness enthusiasts struggle with selecting the right pre-workout foods, especially when following a plant-based diet. Common questions include, which plant-based foods provide lasting energy? How can I avoid energy crashes during workouts? What are some quick and easy plant-based pre-workout meal options? The key is to focus on consuming low glycemic index carbohydrates and adequate protein before your workout. Low GI carbs release energy slowly, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels and providing sustained energy. Combining these with plant-based protein supports muscle function and endurance. Let's explore some top plant-based pre-workout foods and how to incorporate them into your routine. First, we have oats. Oats are a low GI carbohydrate, providing a steady release of energy. Prepare a bowl of steel-cut oats, topped with sliced bananas or berries, and sprinkle with some chia seeds. Add your favorite plant-based protein powder for an extra protein boost. Next is sweet potatoes. Rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber, sweet potatoes offer sustained energy. Bake or steam sweet potatoes and pair them with black beans or chickpeas, a sprinkle of chili powder, and a side of steamed greens. Something easy and simple. Whole grain bread with nut butter. Whole grain bread provides complex carbs, while nut butter adds healthy fats and protein. Spread almond or peanut butter on whole grain toast and top with some berries or a drizzle of honey. Perfect for on the go. Bananas. High in natural sugars and potassium, bananas help maintain nerve and muscle function. Enjoy a banana on its own. Top with some peanut or almond butter or blend it into a smoothie with plant-based milk. A handful of spinach and some peanut butter. Next on the list is chickpeas. As a low GI legume, chickpeas provide both protein and complex carbohydrates. Prepare a simple chickpea salad with diced cucumbers, tomatoes, and a squeeze of lemon juice. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to up the protein, plant-based protein powder is a convenient option for adding protein to your pre-workout meals. Choose a high-quality protein powder without added sugars or unnecessary ingredients. Look for options made from pea, hemp, or brown rice protein. Consuming these foods about 1 to 2 hours before your workout can help optimize energy levels and performance. For an extra boost, consider adding beetroot to your pre-workout meal. Beetroot is high in nitrates, which can improve blood flow and enhance exercise performance. A simple beetroot smoothie recipe is 1 frozen banana, 1 cup frozen blueberries, 1 small beetroot cooked, or substitute 1 to 2 teaspoons beetroot powder, 1/4 cup coconut water, 1/2 cup plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds. Blend all ingredients until smooth and consume about 2 hours before your workout for optimal benefits. Incorporating these plant-based foods into your pre-workout routine can provide sustained energy and enhance your performance. Remember to choose low GI carbohydrates and pair them with plant-based proteins for the best results. Check out our video, Powerful Plant-Based Protein Sources, linked in the description. What are your favorite plant-based pre-workout meals? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.